You wrote a book. It's amazing. But here's a question. Did you know your words, ideas, and expertise can go far beyond just selling books? Many authors limit their income to royalties, but the truth is that digital products can open up a world of possibilities. They can generate multiple streams of revenue, deepen connections with readers, and lay the foundation for a long-term sustainable author business. Today I'm here to demystify the process of creating and selling digital products beyond books. I'll explain what they are, why they're effective, and how you can create them without feeling overwhelmed. So get ready to take notes because this could revolutionize your approach to being an author. Why should authors think beyond book royalties? Because while Amazon or other platforms can provide income, those earnings are often unpredictable. Some months are strong, others are discouragingly quiet. In contrast, digital products offer a reliable, ongoing stream of income that isn't tied to fluctuating sales charts, making them a more stable and potentially lucrative option. Digital products are powerful because they eliminate the need for shipping and inventory. Once created, they can be delivered instantly, scaling with zero additional effort. They also typically come with higher profit margins compared to books, which means more income per sale. This financial advantage, coupled with the direct customer relationship they offer, make digital products a compelling option for authors. Think of your book as the entry point, the door. Digital products turn that entry into a complete experience that keeps readers engaged and invested in you. Workbooks and journals are among the easiest digital products to create, but they offer incredible value to readers. They take the concepts you've already written about and transform them into practical, hands-on exercises. If you write nonfiction, think about how your book's lessons can be turned into actionable tools. A budgeting book could become a printable monthly expense tracker. A fitness book might inspire a guided workout log where readers can record progress. A mindset or self-help title could pair beautifully with a daily affirmation journal or reflection workbook. Even fiction authors can get creative with digital products. Fans love to interact with the world of your stories. You could design a world of whatever your series name is, journal, filled with theme writing prompts, a gratitude log inspired by your characters, or even puzzle-style activity books connected to your story's themes. By thinking outside the box, you can create unique digital products that engage your readers in new and exciting ways. The best part is the flexibility in formats. These can be sold as downloadable PDFs on your website, PayHip, or Etsy, and offered as print-on-demand products through Amazon KDP, Lulu, or Ingram Spark. This way, you meet readers wherever they shop while giving them an interactive experience that keeps your work top of mind. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and tap the notification bell so you're always first to know when a new video drops. One of the most powerful ways to share your knowledge and earn additional income is through online courses and workshops. You already have the expertise in areas such as writing craft, publishing, business, or storytelling. So why not package that into a format that people can learn from directly? The good news is you don't have to start with a massive 20-module course. Begin small and grow from there. Record a 1-hour workshop on outlining a novel, host a 3-hour part mini course on building confidence, or run a live Zoom session where attendees can interact and ask questions in real time. These smaller offerings are easier to create and provide an opportunity to test demand before expanding. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Gumroad make setup simple. And remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Repurpose book chapters, blog posts, or talks into lessons. Many readers will be happy to pay to learn directly from you. Templates and printables are among the easiest digital products to create, yet they pack a significant punch when it comes to value. They save time, reduce stress, and provide your readers or clients with ready-to-use tools they can implement immediately. Think about what your audience struggles with and how you can simplify it. Query letters for aspiring authors. Canva templates for consistent professional social media posts. Character development worksheet that spark creativity. Goal-setting printables that tie directly into your nonfiction niche. The magic is in their simplicity. What feels obvious or basic to you could be life-changing for someone who doesn't know where to start. Templates and printables sell well on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store because people actively search for shortcuts that make their lives easier. Start small, keep it practical, and you'll build a loyal customer base. If you're looking for recurring income, memberships are one of the best options. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-Fi, or even a private space on your own website make it simple to offer exclusive perks for a monthly fee. The beauty here is flexibility. You can design it to match your audience needs and your strengths. For fiction authors, this might look like bonus short stories, sneak peeks at works in progress, early access to new releases, or even writing sprints on Zoom. Nonfiction authors can create private groups with fresh worksheets, monthly challenges, step-by-step guides, or live Q&A calls. What makes memberships so powerful is the sense of belonging they create. Readers don't just get extra content, they feel like insiders, part of your world. Instead of a one-time purchase, they become longtime supporters who invest in a genuine relationship with you. Audio is an often overlooked way to add more value to your work and reach new readers. You don't always have to record a full audiobook. Spin-offs and bonus audio contents can be just as appealing. Think about short, engaging extras that complement your existing books, a bonus chapter that didn't make it into the final draft, an author commentary track where you share insights into your writing process, or guided meditations and affirmation if you write in the self-help or mindset niche. Fiction authors can record short stories, character diaries, or even lost scenes to give fans more of what they love. These audio pieces can be sold as standalone items on PayHip or Podia, bundled into larger package, or offered as perks in membership plans. By providing content in audio form, you make your work more accessible, more portable, and more versatile, perfect for today's busy, on-the-go audience. Toolkits and resource packs are powerful because they bundle multiple solutions together in one easy-to-use package. Instead of offering a single worksheet or guide, you create a complete set of tools designed to solve a specific problem for your audience. A self-care toolkit might include daily planners, affirmation cards, and wellness checklists to encourage balance and consistency. A writing toolkit could feature plotting templates, editing checklists, publishing guides, and submission trackers. everything an author needs to stay organized. The best part? Toolkits naturally sell at higher price points, $27, $47, or even $97, because they deliver a complete solution rather than just a single product. They also position you as more than just a content creator. You become a trusted guide who provides practical, ready-to-use answers. Not every idea calls for a full-length book. In fact, readers often appreciate short, focused guides that delivers fast results. Digital guides and mini books are ideal for this purpose. Typically 20 to 50 pages, they delve deeply into a single outcome and provide readers with the exact steps they need without overwhelming them. You could write a guide like 10 recipes for busy weeknights for busy parents, or a beginner's guide to tarot for spiritual seekers. Because they're highly targeted, these mini books feel practical and approachable. You can sell them as downloadable PDFs for $5 to $15, making them affordable entry points for new customers. They also work beautifully as lead magnets to grow your email list or as stepping stones towards your bigger products and courses. Small, specific, and actionable mini guides are low effort, high value digital products. If you're feeling stuck or not sure how to get your book published, I offer personalized coaching to guide you step by step from first draft to hitting publish. Whether you're just starting or ready to release your book, I'll help you move forward with confidence. I offer 4 different levels: quick clarity call, a focused one-on-one session to specific publishing questions, introductory session, a quick strategy session to assess where you are in your publishing journey, self-publishing power hour, a deep dive one-on-one strategy session tailored to your publishing goals, and the Indie Author Jumpstart, 3 one-hour coaching calls to take your book from draft to publication. Check out the link in the description. Once you've created your digital products, the next step is deciding where to sell them. Fortunately, there are numerous author-friendly platforms to choose from. Payhip is excellent for ebooks, PDFs, and even memberships. At the same time, Gumroad provides a straightforward storefront for a wide range of digital products. Shopify gives you complete control to build a branded store, and Etsy is a fantastic option if you're selling printables, journals, or other creative resources. To maximize sales, think beyond single products. Bundling works wonders. You can combine a journal, a companion workbook, and a short video workshop into one value pack offer. Be strategic with pricing also. Unlike books, digital products can command higher prices because they solve focused, practical problems. And never skip the most important step: collecting emails. Every purchase should connect buyers to your list, allowing you to nurture relationships and promote your future products with ease. Remember, selling digital products doesn't mean you're abandoning your books. It means you're extending their life. Your book is the foundation. Everything else, journals, toolkits, courses, memberships, is a branch of the same tree. So stop thinking of yourself only as an author. Start seeing yourself as a creator, a teacher, a problem solver. That's how you'll build an author business that lasts. So should you stop at just books? Absolutely not. Digital products expand your reach, create stability, and build a lasting author brand. Sometimes it's not about new products. It's about giving old ones a second chance. If you've ever wondered whether to refresh or rebrand a book that's not selling, then check out this video where I share exactly how to do that. Click here now, and I will see you there.